Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna be doing my hair personally for myself, so thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. Okay y'all, I'm going to do a quick DIY style on myself. I'm trying, y'all. I'm gonna do a crisscross front with top knot bun. First I'm gonna try this top knot bun, but listen y'all, shout out to the girls who have natural hair, because there's so much arm work involved in this. I am gonna go and get my hair perm again because I can't manage, all right? But anyway, stay right there. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be styling this, okay? Well guys, as you can see, I am finished with the front of my hair with those crisscross. You can go ahead and make it 6 if you want in each crisscross partings, but I only need 4 guys, okay? My arms are really tired. But anyway, I'm gonna brush and go in with my hot comb right in the back. Alright y'all, so I am going to use a rubber to put my hair in a bun. You do not have to use a rubber band, but I personally love using a rubber band because of the hole that it gives to me. So now the gel that I'm going to be using is the Aussie Instant Freeze Gel, and I put it in my hair. And once I did that, I like to go in, because you can see I give my hair a loose sketch, and then I like to go in with the comb and then with a brush and brush that gel or comb that gel throughout my hair, you know, give it a nice little slick down, okay? Then I go in with my Got To Be Freeze and then my blow dryer. All right y'all, and this is the reason why it's best to do the bun like this, because see how much left that you can still grip. Yes y'all, so stay right there guys, because we're gonna finish up this look, all right? And tell me how I do. First time doing this on myself, okay? For this part, I'm going to take out a piece of the hair, and that's going to be my base, okay? Make sure you get it nice and smooth with the comb, and I'm going to wrap it right around with my Got To Be freeze spray, and you keep on wrapping it until you get a firm base, y'all. Okay, that's what I'm doing right here. Right after I smooth out the hair, I give it a firm twist, y'all. Okay, firm twist. And once you get that firm twist, then you start wrapping it around. It's like making a pole first, and then you start wrapping around. That's what I do. Yeah. And I wrap from top to bottom. Okay. Yes. But anyways, guys, this is the finished look. Now please don't watch my makeup because I am not a makeup artist. Okay, don't watch them eyebrows. But anyway, guys, that's not what I'm showcasing. I'm just showing y'all how I do this DIY hairstyle for myself, guys. Okay, it is nice doing something for yourself, not true? Yes, it's small, it's a little tiny, but now don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and thank you so very much for watching. Bye.